but I want to get your opinion about tools that you cannot live without. And this could be an app, this could be a tactic, but share any tool that you can't live without and how you apply these tools to your personal or professional lives.
You gonna go?
You
Okay,
first.
well, I'm gonna use a business app, and I am a huge fan of Nimble. It's my CRM. And like for me, when I started my business 23 years ago, I used Act. Do you guys even remember that? Like the Act
Remember
database.
back, yeah.
And I've tried a lot of things over the years, but what I love about Nimble, it is for me, I'm not a big company. So easy to use. So it it helps me run my life rather than running my life in that I have to invest more time into it than it does into me. So that's my huge thing that I'm such a fanatic fan about is Nimble and how it helps my business.
Nice. What about
Can
you?
I use a technology as a tool? Like AI is my tool. I mean, and it's not any one particular one. I mean, yeah, I use a lot of OpenAI, ChatGPT type stuff, but I bounce from one to the other for whatever I need. Mid-journey for images and ChatGPT for text and Claude and Gemini. I use all of them typically for whatever the specific purpose that one is in the lead for at the moment. Like who's the leading image generator? Who makes the best type of photorealistic versus icon? You know, um, that's what I couldn't live without now. The productivity boost that I've gotten from AI in the past couple of years is
Mhm.
is unreal. And it's always exciting to see how things are changing. Like, wow, I haven't bought a stock image in 2 years. Or, maybe that first draft of that contract, I didn't have to go to my attorney for, those kind of things. Um, so AI as a tool, I think should almost be the front of everybody's. If you consider it a tool versus a technology, should be the front of everybody's work toolbox right now. And it's too early. It's hard to say any particular one tool, but if I had named one software, it'd be one that was AI based.
That makes sense.